Aye, aye. Right, it's Monday. It's the 29th of July. I've had quite a busy couple of weeks. I got through my high, I had no bother last week, no bother at all. Quite enjoyed that, lovely guy, great course. Couldn't recommend that company enough. I'll put a link on the description below if anybody's interested in doing high ab or any kind of training that this fella does. He hasn't asked us to do this, and I am certainly getting nothing for it. But credit where credit's due. Bloke was brilliant, patient, and I felt super comfortable all the way through my training. And he was happy to sign me off. So at the moment I'm just passing where I normally come off to go home. So you know I'm in the Gosforth area at the moment. And I've got 205 miles to go before I get to Peterborough. I meet one of the guys down there. He's going to whiz us, once I park this up, whiz us along to my hotel, get signed in, and back out again till about 5 o'clock this morning. Going to be pushing as much as I can today and tonight, through the night, because I'm jumping on the tools, shall we say. I'm doing night shift tonight, night shift tomorrow. Getting as much gear down to the job where they're working, and then on the Wednesday I turn around and then end up on day shift, and we get some labouring in and giving the lads a hand to try and get finished for Friday, Saturday. I imagine it's Saturday like. Got myself a nice another Premier Inn, all inclusive as well, all the food, all good, getting looked after. So quite looking forward to this one, apart from the fact I'm away from home. This isn't me. I don't like leaving Moorlas. I don't like being out for more than one night, never mind 5 nights. It's just one of those things at the minute, just all hands to the pump. And I get a bit of a vlogging done as well. I won't be vlogging while I'm on site, you're not allowed, but get some of the driving in as long as I don't show anything. It's all good. So I've got about 8 ton on the back. Just under. It's all nicely strapped in there. What I will do when I get down once I get through the messy bits around Washington and stuff like that, just pull in. I might even do that at Washington Services just to check all my stops, make sure there's been no movement or anything like that, and then I can get going again. So that's about it. It's a couple of 100 miles away. Get Talk Sport on and crack on. Had my birthday just a few days ago. I had a mint party. Nice, really good fun. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Good people there. Great food. And family's like been stayed up for a little bit longer as well. So they're still here actually on my wife's side. They came the day after the party, which was unfortunate, just one of them things, but I've enjoyed hanging out with them all. It's been good fun. My daughter is out of hospital, thank God. It was awful. Started with like one small infection, virus, bug, it attacked her kidneys. She ended up with pleurisy, pneumonia. Oh my God, it was horrific. And with her being insulin diabetic, insulin dependent, her sugar levels were over, could not get her oxygen levels up. So she's had a tough week. But she's out. She made the party, which was great, but quite one for her though. But I can't thank you all enough for wishing us luck and sending on best wishes to my daughter. I I really thank you for that. Brilliant. Yeah, well, I've got like, do you know, I took the 15 in Weatherby services. I've made up so much time that I could get straight to that site with 2 minutes to spare, possibly. Just parking up straight away, jump in the car, my mate's picking us up, straight to the hotel. But it's tight. Now I took it in the Amcani. This isn't helping. As long as he doesn't do us over here with the brakes. So I'm going to go for it. Bugger it. See, I'm going to get there in 19 minutes past 8. I've got 25 minutes driving left, and it's now 7:44 p.m. Why do I do it to myself? Why? The good thing is it's lay-by after lay-by, so if anything, you know, if I can shave it down to 3 minutes, then definitely it's literally just pop in the yard. It's a massive yard, you just park it and then you're out of there. Half an hour break when I go to the hotel, put my bags in, a cup of tea, and then back on the road, back to work. So it's been a long time since I've been down this way. I'm getting a nosebleed. I know I was in Coventry last week, but it's a long time since I've come down here Peterborough way. Brings back memories, this, I tell you. Right, I'm nearly there. I've clawed even more now. I've got 4 minutes to play with. So the guy's going to be standing at the yard gate, so I know not to pass it. And I'm only 3 miles off the junction, so that's all good. So like I say, I'll try and vlog when I can. I'll call this one a vid. So you know I'm busy for the week down here, and I'll pop the odd one up now and then, even if it's short and sweet. But yep. Not too bad at all. .2 degrees, and it's 7 minutes past 8 at night. I'm going to switch off, concentrate on getting in here. Like I say, I can't film where I am. You know where I am, but I can't film anything to do with any companies that I'm working with. Anyhow, it's all good though. It's all good. Oh. Bring back memories, this or what? Catch you later. Another Premier Inn. This one's alright, like. It's actually better than the last one I stayed in. Very swanky. Likey. Oh, so like the look of that. I was up at 7 o'clock yesterday morning, drove down to Peterborough and worked till now. It's 5 AM. Day bed looks good now. A little bit of roaming. Oh, it is. Good night.